गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। चतुर्वेदी टेक्निकल ज्ञान में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट यूनिट कन्वर्जन ऑफ लेंथ। वी टॉक अबाउट इंचेस, सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, किलोमीटर। 1 is equal to 1000 micron, 10 is equal to 1 centimeter, 1000 is equal to 1 meter, 10 lakh is equal to 1 kilometer, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Let's talk about inches and feet. 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm. 12 inch is equal to 1 feet. 1 feet is equal to 304.8 mm. Let's talk about 1 by 2. 1 by 2 inches is equal to 12.700 mm. 1 by 4 is equal to 6.350 mm. 3 by 4 inch is equal to 19.050 mm. 1 by 8 inch is equal to 3.175 mm. 3 by 8 inch is equal to 9.525 mm. 5 by 8 inch is equal to 15.875 mm. 7 by 8 inch is equal to 22.225 mm. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel.